Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Today I have the Spring Zoya Abundance collection to show you. They sent this collection to me for a review, which I'm so grateful for because I love Zoya nail polishes. And there are 6 polishes here. We are back to, I'm losing my hair, okay. We are back to 6-piece collections with Zoya. They were doing 5-piece and a Hot Lips gloss for a while, but we're back to a 6-piece collection. And let's get to the swatches. I'm going to be reading Zoya's descriptions to you. The first polish is called Gwen, and Zoya describes this as a muted tea rose pink cream. This is a 3-coat polish. Let me say, I have terrible nails. I have ridges in my nails. I have imperfections in my nails because I pick at them. You know, my nails aren't perfect. So if you have nice nails, and you use maybe like a ridge filling base coat, you could probably wear this in 2 coats. I needed to do 3, and I also needed to be pretty careful with my application. This sort of light pink is never a color that I can easily apply. I don't know if that's me or the color or a combination, but I can never apply a very light pink cream easily. It's not that the formula is difficult, but I think it's my nails and how ridged they are. It just shows all of the imperfections on the 2nd coat. So you need the 3rd coat, or I did at least. This is a really delicate spring pink. A light pink is never going to be my go-to. I can recognize that it's a pretty color. So that is Gwen. The next polish is called Kit, and Zoya describes this as a calming old rose cream, which is interesting. An old rose. I mean, I get it. This is kind of a standard Zoya rosy mauve-y color. It has a great formula and it covers in 2 coats, but if you have any of the other mauve-y colors, you probably have something similar to this. That being said, I do love a mauve nail polish every now and then, you know? And this is a good formula, so that is Zoya's Kit. The next polish is called Ellis, and Zoya describes this as a dark, rich cerise cream. This is beautiful. If you're using a deliberate, slightly heavier application, you can wear this in 1 coat. I do want to mention, and I forgot to mention at the beginning, I do have the Zoya Z Wide brush in the polishes for my swatches. I love the Zoya Z Wide brush. The regular Zoya brush is fine. But once you use the Z-Wide brush, I can't go back. So I always switch out the brushes to the Z-Wide brush. So you're getting a larger amount of polish, I guess, on your nail. So I just like to mention that because if you're using a skinnier brush, that probably will affect application. This one covers absolutely in 2 coats, but it's really close in 1, especially with the Z-Wide brush. I like how cheerful this color is. This is my type of pink. This berry pink that's brighter but also darker. This is my kind of pink that I like, so I really enjoyed this color, and that is 2 coats of Ellis. Next we have Lena, and this is described as a mid-toned wisteria purple cream. This one, it doesn't mention anything about this drying matte, but this dries to sort of a demi-matte, sort of almost like a satin matte finish. I'm not sure if that's because it's just such a vivid pigment, or can you hear my dog? I can't put more food in your bowl. Don't sass me, sir. I can't put more food in your bowl. That's your food. You're being a pig and you're not even eating the food that's in your bowl. Sir, you're being rude. This is definitely a brighter purple. I love that they call this a wisteria purple. I think that's a perfect description, and I loved this. This one covers in 2 coats. It has a great formula, but you will for sure want a top coat on this unless you want it to dry to that satin matte finish, and that is Lena. Next we have Tyler. This is described as a deep indigo blue cream. This is another 2-coater, but if you are intentional with your application on that 1st coat, this could also be a 1-coat polish. I feel like I can't wear a polish in 1 coat I have to be in a very specific mood to just do one coat of a nail polish. It just feels incomplete without the second coat, which is ridiculous, but that's how I feel. So I did do 2 coats for Tyler. It was not fully opaque in the first coat because I don't know, I wasn't expecting it to need just 1 coat. But like I said, if you are intentional with your application, I think that you can absolutely wear this in 1 coat. The formula is beautiful. I love this color. I know that I say that about every blue, but something about this color actually feels very unique. I can't think of a color like this. It's definitely a dark blue. It's not one of those blues that's so dark it looks black on your nails, but it's also bright and somehow rich at the same time. I just loved this color a lot. I'm not sure if that's because I have like blinders on to only see blue, or if I just really loved the color so much. I just really loved the color so much, I think. So that's Tyler. Lastly, we have Elsa, and this is the sparkly polish in the bunch. This is described as an iridescent, cool-toned blue with a purple shift. This gorgeous shade has densely packed rainbow glitter. This one covers in 2 to 3 coats. So I'm going to show you 2 coats here. Very opaque. If you get real close, you can see like a little bit of nail line, but again, no one's getting that close to your nails, okay? And then in 3 coats is how I think I would prefer to wear it, just because the color deepens a little bit. You get more sparkle on the nail. The shift is minimal on my nails. You can see it again in, you know, any sort of shiftiness. Depends on the lighting and all of that. But it's beautiful. The formula is lovely. I, of course, want more sparkly polish from Zoya all of the time. I love their sparkly, shimmery polishes. I would still also love more pixie dusts, okay? I'm not over pixie dusts. Thank you, Zoya. Or their scattered hollows. Like, I'm still not over those, okay? Still waiting for a yellow scattered hollow from Zoya. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this is Elsa. It's beautiful. It looks like a frozen princess polish. I can't, you know, it's named Elsa. I can't think of anything else. It's beautiful. So it's 2 and then 3 coats of Elsa. This collection is available now on the Zoya website. I believe right now you can only purchase a bundle of the collection. At some point you will be able to purchase the individual polishes, but on the website at the time of filming, the individual polishes are like, they have a little locked symbol on it, and they're just the bundle deal. So the bundle deal is the 6 full-size polishes. You do get 6 of the Z Wide brushes, and then you also get a manicure essentials kit, which is cuticle pusher, nail file, little 2-ounce bottle of Zoya Remove, so a little kind of travel size manicure kit that you can keep your nails looking fresh to death. What do you guys think of this collection? I love this Zoya for spring. It's not as typical as it could be for spring. Again, I'm always gonna want more greens in spring. Like, I just, you know, this is just how I feel. I just want more greens all of the time. Let's be real. But I love that there's a cool tone side and kind of a slightly warmer, although these are not the most warm pinky polishes. I think this overall is more cool toned, and I love that. Let me know which polish is your favorite. Thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you in my next video.